Okay, I always do full glam, so today we're gonna mix it up. We're going to a museum. I have about 10 minutes. My husband just ran the dogs out. Let's do some makeup. Okay, so on top of that, all of my makeup brushes are drying, so we're just gonna use a beauty blender to show you guys a different way to kind of blend things out. This is bronzer. I'm just putting it everywhere I want to be bronze, and I'm gonna use it to contour my nose as well. And then I'm gonna add in a little bit of my favorite blush, which is Frenchie, and we're gonna blend this all out. Add illuminator and you're all set.